What if we could build a full pixel art RPG in Godot step by step, from a simple beginning all the way to real game systems? In this series, we are not just moving a character around and calling it a day. We are building a real project with combat, menus, progression, save systems, and a world that keeps growing over time. And the best part is, I will guide you through the process, so you do not have to figure everything out on your own. If you want to learn Godot by building something meaningful, you are in the right place. This series is made for beginners who want to learn Godot from the ground up without getting overwhelmed right away. We start with the fundamentals, keep everything structured, and build the project step by step in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Yes, the code will become more advanced over time, but that is part of the journey. We build skills as we build the game, one system at a time. Across 12 episodes, each around 30 minutes long, we keep expanding the same project, with every part building on what we created before. The roadmap is divided into phases, and each one marks a new step, from the foundations all the way to more advanced RPG mechanics. And this series will keep growing, with new episodes and more systems added over time. Let me quickly walk you through the roadmap. In phase 1, I will show you how to get started with Godot, and where to get all the graphics you need, all completely free of course. And after just the first 2 episodes, you will already be able to build your own world and bring your player into it. In phase 2, we build on everything we already created and start adding combat, along with damage for both the player and the enemies. And of course, we are not just working on systems, we also add a few nice visual goodies, like this mushroom and the campfire. Phase 3 is one to look forward to, because this is where we dive into the UI. We will build the main menu, put together the save system, and explore different ways to improve the interface. And of course, you will also get all the graphics you need, created specifically for this tutorial. And now, phase 4, it is honestly a little crazy how far you have already come and how much your coding skills have improved. But we are definitely not stopping here. In this phase, we move on to state machines, automatic text, and a more advanced combat system with knockback. So do not give up too early, because things are only going to get more exciting from here. Phase 5 might blow your mind, but in a good way. This is where things get a lot more technical, but without forgetting the visual side of the game. In this phase, you will build a level system, create polished health and experience displays, and put together a fully functional character menu with relevant player stats. And now let's take a quick look at what is coming next. A new and much more complex enemy is already planned, and based on viewer requests, I also want to build a questline. And when it comes to the future of this series, I want your ideas to matter just as much as mine, so do not be shy. Let me know what you would like to see next and which topics interest you most. So that is the main path of the RPG series, a guided journey where we build one project step by step and keep growing with every phase. But if you want to go deeper into specific topics, there is another part of this learning journey you should definitely know about, Godot Essentials. So if the RPG series is your guided path, then Godot Essentials is where you can sharpen individual skills. Each episode focuses on one topic in a more standalone way, giving you the chance to understand important mechanics more deeply and build confidence in the areas that matter most to you. And one thing that really matters to me is that this series keeps growing with the community. Some ideas that are already planned came directly from viewer requests, and I want that to continue in the future. So if there is a topic you want to explore, a problem you keep running into, or a system you would like to see next, let me know in the comments. I would love to build future episodes around the things that help you most. So if you're ready to start building your own RPG in Godot, begin with episode 1, follow the roadmap, and let's keep creating and improving this project together.